Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a daily messy living room and dining room clean with me. I'm starting off with a dining table, which surprisingly is not as messy as it usually is. I go ahead and put everything on it away, wipe away all the crumbs off, and then finally spraying it with my trusty Mrs. Meyers Multisurface spray and a regular cleaning cloth. I also wipe down all the chairs as well. They can get really gross, especially my 4-year-old's chair. I also replaced his bunny decor with this olive you one instead. My 4-year-old painted that bunny actually, and she threw a fit when she saw me try to put it away after spring. I decided to just leave it there until I found a perfect replacement, and yeah, I waited till now. How many months was that? And surprisingly, she's the one who picked out the olive you while we were at Hobby Lobby the other day, and she was finally fine with me replacing it. I gotta say she has really good taste, because I thought it looked perfect for this space.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off.
Now, anyone who has dogs and kids knows this struggle. Constantly vacuuming these couches suck, but it has to be done or leave me covered in fur.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most.
I also do a deep clean of these couches and pillows bi-weekly. I'll put that in a different video though.
Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
After vacuuming the carpet, I use my carpet cleaner to clean underneath the table. My kids are actually really good about not staining them, but it still does happen. I also carpet clean any other stains in the living room, specifically the high traffic areas.
Words no more, no, no. Yeah. Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if you never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if you never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that.
And it's all clean. At least for now anyway. I hope this motivated you guys today, and I hope you liked it. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Diane. Nice to meet you. And if you liked what you saw, hit subscribe and that notification button for more upcoming content. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.
Why you gotta be so hard? Sitting